Let me ask you something. Why do some men try very hard to impress a girl and still fail, while others don't seem to try much yet naturally attract attention? Is it looks? Money? Luck? Not exactly. Psychology shows that attraction is often based on behavior, not just appearance. And the truth is, trying too hard to impress someone usually creates the opposite effect, because real attraction feels natural, not forced. In this video, you'll learn psychology-based ways to impress a girl without pretending to be someone you're not. 1. Confidence without showing off. Confidence is one of the strongest attraction triggers. But confidence does not mean arrogance. It means being comfortable with yourself. Psychology shows that people are naturally attracted to those who appear emotionally secure. When you don't constantly seek approval, you appear more valuable. Because confidence signals stability, and stability creates trust. Simple example. Instead of trying to prove you are interesting, just be present, relax, speak normally. Calm confidence often impresses more than loud effort. 2. Listen more than you talk. Many people think impressing a girl means talking a lot, but psychology shows something surprising. People feel more connected to those who listen carefully, because feeling understood creates emotional comfort. When you pay attention to what she says, remember small details, and respond thoughtfully, you show genuine interest. And genuine interest is rare. That alone makes you stand out. 3. Don't try to impress every second. Trying too hard creates pressure, and pressure feels unnatural. Psychology calls this impression management fatigue. When someone constantly tries to impress, it feels forced. Instead, allow moments of silence. Allow natural conversation. Let interaction flow normally. Comfort creates attraction, not performance. 4. Have your own life. One of the biggest attraction factors is independence. When your life has purpose, goals, and direction, you naturally appear more interesting. Because people are attracted to those who value their own time. Psychology shows that individuals with purpose appear more confident and emotionally stable. Your focus on growth creates natural respect, and respect often leads to attraction. 5. Use calm body language. Body language communicates more than words. Simple behaviors like relaxed posture, eye contact, calm movements, small natural smile. These signals create comfort. Psychology shows that calm body language indicates emotional control. And emotional control is attractive because it makes interaction feel safe. 6. Don't seek constant validation. Constantly asking, "Do you like this? Am I funny? Am I good enough?" creates insecurity. And insecurity reduces attraction. Confident people don't need approval for everything they do. They express themselves naturally. And that authenticity creates stronger connection, because people trust what feels real. 7. Make her feel comfortable, not impressed. Many people try to impress. Very few try to create comfort. But psychology shows that emotional comfort is one of the strongest foundations of attraction. When someone feels relaxed around you, they associate you with positive emotion. And positive emotion builds connection. Connection builds attraction. Attraction builds interest. Important truth. Impressing a girl naturally is not about tricks. It's about emotional intelligence, confidence, presence, and self-respect. Because when you try to become impressive, you create pressure. But when you focus on becoming better, impressing happens automatically. The most attractive people are not those who try the hardest, but those who feel the most comfortable being themselves. Because natural confidence is difficult to fake. So instead of asking, "How do I impress her?" ask, "How do I improve myself?" Because when you improve yourself, attraction becomes natural. If this video helped you, subscribe to Mind Theory for more psychology-based insights.